guys, what's up? It's your man, Mikhail Macon, co-founder of Griff, and this is part three of how to launch your NFT project in 120 days. Actually, we had a team meeting a couple of days ago, and we just are putting our everything together. We have the lore, and we have the art, and we're putting together the concept of what this project is going to be. We're talking about how many pieces is going to be in the collection, what type of different characters are going to be in the art. And it's been exciting because at the end of the day, this is like the creative process, right? And it has to be done. So what we've decided was we're gonna have everything kind of like based off the lore, which is the story. I kind of announced that earlier. The lore is like the story, the concept behind the actual project. And the reason I wanted to do that is because I felt like if we have a vision of the story and what the story entails and what the story means to the project, then we can create the art and the pieces and everything from that particular story. Then it's all cohesive. And then once we do that, then we can work on the marketing and the promotion and how we're going to promote it, how we're going to get the pieces out there, how we're going to get to the public. But it takes time. And I think we've been working on this particular project going on 2 weeks now, and for us to launch with 120 days, there's a lot of work that needs to be done very quickly. But we also want to take the time to make sure that we do things the right way. Besides that, we're doing that on our own. We also joined another project called Cash Cows Crew. And the reason why us at Griff joined the Cash Cows team is because in this space you need to have credibility, and even though we have done NFT projects, we never done an NFT art project. And also, we have to build a community. So the best way to do that is to learn from somebody else that's successful, see what they've done, what works, what doesn't work, how they do their marketing, what was their strategy, and see what pieces you can implement. And fortunately, we have a connection with a particular project that has done that here, and is run by our tech advisor and financial advisor. And we decided, you know what, let's just learn from these guys. Let's help them out. They're doing a push on a game for their particular utility for their project, and it was like the perfect time to get in, to learn, to grow, to collaborate, and also get the credibility for Griff. So when people know that we're doing our project and they knew we was working on the Cash Cows project, then more people be their ears will perk up because they actually heard about the project. They know what the project's about, and you being a successful project helps lead the way for other projects. So that was like another reason why I decided to take the Grip team, even though we're working on our own project. But let's get this experience now. Let's jump in now to learn marketing, to learn promotion, to learn advertising, to learn, what works, what doesn't work. That way, when we're doing our project and we're leading with our project, we're like running like 100 miles per hour, and we know what we're doing. And I think the best way to actually learn on your project or to work on your project is to work with other projects. Nothing beats hands-on experience, and nothing beats the opportunity that you can get from working with a successful project in this NFT space when it comes to NFT art, generative art, or one-on-ones. To me, that is like very important, and it gives our team the experience, the credibility, and the opportunity to grow and to learn and to understand what needs to be done, what is the best way to do particular things. And so I felt like that was good for our team. So we actually joined the Cash Cow Crew marketing team. I actually announced it on our Twitter feed, and I believe on our Facebook page and Instagram. But I'm gonna do more work in the coming days to let people know. And in the meanwhile, my guys are in the background, learning, helping out, contributing, and connecting. And I feel like if that's just the best way to go. And even though we have our own personal project, the Cash Cows team is helping us with our tech and some other elements of our project. So it was just best to help them out and to learn at the same time and grow. So we feel like it is an honor actually to be part of this project. and to grow and to be part of something bigger than ourselves. So when we do our thing, we already have that knowledge. And I feel like that's the number one thing. There is nothing guaranteed in this space. Lots of projects have tried and failed. I know good projects that had things going for them, and a decision wasn't made or a mistake was done, and it just derailed the whole project. And I want to learn from that, and I want to make sure that if there's something that we need to do, then we need to do it, and we need to make decisions very quickly, and we need to move forward quickly, and we need to have our plan, our strategy, how we going to market, what we're going to do, what's the vision, what's the plan, not only just to launch, but what's the plan after? What's the utility about? Why should this particular person get into this particular project? And it has to be something more than just the art or the utility. It has to be the whole thing. And a lot of that whole thing is the community. What type of community you building? Who's in your community? What is the goal of the community? What is the focus of the community? What direction the community wants to go to. You have to have that in tune to what you're doing at your project, because you want everybody to feel happy. You want everybody to promote it. You want everybody to tell the world, like, hey, I'm on this project, or I got this I got this particular project and I'm happy with what I'm getting. I'm receiving a lot of love, and the utility is good, and I could benefit from it, and I'm happy about it. And when you have people like that who advocate for you, the sky's the limit. Anything can be done. But the number one thing that you need to do to get that advocation is that you have to make sure that you have a plan and that you know what you're doing and that you deliver. A lot of people make promises in this space about, they give you the world. They say, oh, you're going to do this and you'll be able to do this, you can be able to do that, and they don't deliver. The one thing that I like about this Cash Cows project is they over deliver. Like, their tech is so out there that the marketing has to catch up to the tech. That's crazy to think about it, right? But it's the truth. So what makes me so honored that this project did a lot of first. It was like the first project to have a DAO that's a generative project, and a degen project that had a DAO. That was the first one. And the first one to share the rewards through the whole community. So the thing about the sharing rewards is that there is sales, secondary sales of NFTs. Everybody gets the mint, right? Then how people make money is that they get the mint, or they buy the mint at a particular price, and then they sell it at a higher price. And that's how they flip. That's how they get the money. Everybody on Cash Cows that's flipped has made money because Cash Cows was a free mint. And the reason why I say free mint was that the only thing you had to pay was the gas fee, and then you got the NFTs for free. And that is the norm right now. A lot of projects are doing that because of crypto winter, and money is tight with a lot of people, and they just feel better that okay, this project has promise, but hey, it's a free mint. I can get this for free, pretty much just pay the gas fees, and I have the NFTs, and then I can sell it because the project is making noise, and people want to know more about it, people want to get it, and then I can make my money. Not only am I making my gas fee money back, but I'm making my money back through the rewards, or I'm making my money back through the sell. Some people's making money back through both. They buy the NFT or NFTs to get the rewards, because the more NFTs that you have in this collection, the more rewards you get. So they take the rewards, which is shared through the community, which is through the secondary sales, and then they sell the NFT. So they made their money because they depends how many NFTs they got. They got their rewards. Then they made their money. So then they're even already because they got the rewards most likely. Then after you get the rewards, you sell your NFT and you make profit. So a lot of people made profit on this particular project just from hearing about it, just from being a part of it. So now what these guys are doing is that they're taking it to the next level. There's, some people are selling their NFTs so we can get new people in the community. But the next thing is that, well, how do you make money past the rewards, right? Because yeah, everybody makes the money, but then what happens if the sales slow down or the volume is not where you want? No, then the rewards stop, right? So these guys made a board game that you can actually do things to incentivize you to not only get into the project but to actually play the game. And you do not have to have a cash cow to play this game. So any NFT ERC 20 project can get play this particular game, and it's awesome that that is kind of like the prerequisite of just growing this to a whole nother level. So I just feel confident that this project is going to grow and get bigger, and it's going to end up possibly could be a blue chip. There's opportunity for it. The potential is there. So I just wanted to be a part of that. So for me and my team, we just look like what is the perks an opportunity, and we just jumped on it. So that is part three of how to launch your NFT in 120 days. As I said, the number one thing that we're doing right now, and I mentioned this in the last video, is collaboration and getting your name out there, building you're building your name, getting the standards of people who you are, and I feel that once you do that, then it'll be a lot easier for you to promote your project because you already have that credibility. All right. So this is Mikkel. Thank you so much for watching, and we're going to do another video soon. I'm just going to keep posting these videos. I look kind of it's raining outside. There's a big typhoon here in the Philippines, so I just wanted to just say something before it starts raining and thunderstorming. I wanted to put another video out. It's been a while since I put the video. So thank you so much, support group. Please subscribe, share, like, comment. Please do that. Make sure you hit that notification button. This is Mikkel, and I'm out. You have a great weekend. Peace.